Welcome to this presentation. We'll walk you through key insights and practical tips to help you maximize the usage and visibility of your Bikeep-powered bike parking equipment. Regardless of whether you have a smart bike parking station or any other Bikeep-powered equipment, the user initiation techniques remain very similar. First and foremost, success starts with choosing the right location. The most important factor is ensuring it's a place where users naturally need to park their bikes. People park their bikes at destinations. That's why it's essential to install the station at a location that is already a true destination for cyclists, a location where they need to stop and get off their bikes. The clearest sign that you've found the right spot is if bikes are already being parked there. Whenever possible, choose a location where the bike parking is sheltered from the elements to help protect bikes from weather damage. Additionally, placing your Bikeep station in a highly visible area increases both security and usage, as cyclists are naturally drawn to safe, well-lit, and accessible locations. Make sure clear signage is in place. The more visibility, the better. The bike parking area should be clearly marked on building maps, wayfinding signage, and any directories cyclists rely on. Locations that invest in additional signage consistently see faster adoption and higher usage, as clear visibility helps cyclists easily find and trust the station. To support the initial adoption phase, temporary signage can be used to introduce the Bikeep service to users. Once awareness and regular usage reach the desired level, the signage can be gradually removed to maintain a clean urban environment. Once your station is installed, getting those first early adopters to start using it is critical. When cyclists see others parking their bikes at the station, they're much more likely to follow. On the flip side, if the station looks unused, people may hesitate. No one wants to be the first or only one trying something new. To reach those valuable early adopters, make sure to inform them directly through email newsletters or notifications. And don't forget to ask for their feedback. Their input can help fine-tune the user experience and build trust. It's also important to announce your new Bikeep station on your social media channels. Highlight not only the benefits, but also show step-by-step how easy it is to use the station. Clear communication and visibility will help drive awareness and encourage more cyclists to give it a try. Sometimes a demo bike is also a good idea to show people that this station is meant for personal bike parking. One of the most effective ways to drive adoption has been using on-site promoters. People who directly engage with cyclists introduce the service and encourage them to give it a try. For maximum efficiency, these promoters are only needed during peak times, when cyclists are arriving at or leaving the area. These direct interactions not only help users understand the system, but also create a sense of trust and familiarity with the new service. Many of our partners have successfully launched their Bikeep stations with community events, and it works. A well-planned launch event not only grabs the attention of local cyclists, but also attracts media coverage and builds excitement around the new service. It's one of the most effective ways to introduce your station, boost initial usage, and position your site as a key part of the local cycling infrastructure. To summarize, when planning your Bikeep station, location is everything. Choose areas where cyclists already park or where there's a clear need for secure bike parking. The right location ensures natural visibility and usage from day one. Next, clear signage is key. Cyclists need to instantly recognize this as a safe, smart parking point, both when they arrive and when they plan their trip. Good visibility makes it easier for them to choose your station. To accelerate adoption, active promotion helps. Use local ambassadors, social media campaigns, or direct outreach to let cyclists know this service is available and highlight how much easier it makes their daily rides. Finally, stay connected with your cycling community. Listen to their feedback, understand their routes and concerns, and adapt where needed. A successful Bikeep station becomes a trusted part of their journey, and we're here to help you make that happen. If you're unsure about the best spot, feel free to reach out to Bikeep. Our team is always happy to assist you in selecting the ideal location to ensure your station gets the best results.